Hello everyone, my name is Danny Alfred, co-founder of Feed the Hungry Entertainment. I'm a student in George Stewart's Fundamentals of Physics class, and today we're going to talk about a few topics which include inertia, friction, and sound frequency. For these experiments, I'll be using my Technics 1200 turntable, a Vestax PMC 07 mixer, and a piece of vinyl. Now let's get started with the first demonstration. Now, the law of inertia states that an object stays in a state of rest or uniform speed in a straight line unless acted upon by a non-zero force. Meaning that if this record on the turntable or crossfader on the mixer is not moving, then it wants to stay that way. Now, depending on the mass of the object, it will either have high inertia or low inertia. So being that the crossfader has very low mass, it has very low inertia, which is good for me being that I'm a DJ and I like to scratch. Okay, now let's get into the next demonstration in which we'll be discussing sound frequency. Sound frequency is basically the time it takes to complete one cycle, and depending on how long it takes determines the pitch. So a low pitch sound takes longer to complete a full cycle than a high pitch sound. Okay, now let's get into the final demonstration, which will be about friction. Now, friction is basically a force that is created whenever two surfaces move across each other, in which friction will be the force in the opposite direction. Now, me being a DJ, I use what is known as slip mats. With these slip mats, it causes friction against the record, and for me, less friction is better. And as you can see, as I move the record back and forth on the slip mat, which is known as a scratch, there's very little friction between the record and the slip mat. Okay, once again, my name is Danny Alfred, co-founder of Feed the Hungry Entertainment, and thank you for watching. Good night, and God bless.